national development. What is development and how it is different for different people, we have discussed in the previous video. So now let us discuss about national development. Different nations could have different as well as conflicting notions of the country's development. So different people might have different opinions about a country's development. For some people, having complete government control on certain policies or farming can be considered as development. But to be honest and fair, it is not same with all people. So the point here is different people could have different, means the opinions what they have might be completely contrary, completely opposite views about the country's development. Different people express different opinions. Now, how to compare the different countries? In order to compare the different countries, their income is considered as one of the most important attributes to check how the country is developing. The more the country will get the income, the more it is considered as developed. So countries which having higher incomes are considered as more developed than the countries which are having less income. The countries which are having more income are considered as the countries which are having more development. Now, as the different countries have different populations, comparing the total income will not tell us what an average person earns. So we compare the average income of the countries. So in order to know about different countries, which country is developing, which country is earning more income, they compare the average income, means they take the total population income divided by total population, and the average what they get, that is taken to check whether the country is developing or not. As you can see on the screen, the development in the years and the days as per the sources of Johns Hopkins University, the countries like US, Brazil, Russia, Spain, all these countries are developing countries or developed countries. You can observe there. And in the second slide at the bottom, India's position slips, means falls down among the world's fastest growing economies. So you can see how the country is growing or how it is falling down. You can see the GDP percentage of growth has fallen down from 7.5 to 5.5 by 2019. Then, how is the average income taken of a country? The average income is the total income of the country divided by total population. It's called per capita income. Total income of the country divided by total population of the country is called per capita income or the average income. So you can see the formula here. Average income is equal to total income of the country divided by total population of the country. And in the World Bank report or World Development report, the classification of the country is done. How do we divide the countries? We divide the countries basing on the World Development report. So the World Development report takes per capita income as the criteria for classifying the countries as developed or developing countries. You can see here the countries with the per capita income of 12,056 US dollars per annum and above in 2017 are considered as rich countries. The countries which are having 12,056 dollars per annum as an average income in 2017 is considered as rich country. So the countries which have per capita income $955 or less is called low income countries. They are considered as low income countries. The example is India. So the per capita income is the only criteria which was taken initially to decide whether the countries are developing or not developing countries, or we can say underdeveloping condition, underdeveloping countries. So in this video we learn how the country's per capita income is calculated, and then basing on the per capita income, how it is decided that whether it is a developed country or a developing country.